Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing a stable tripod and locking every joint. That stability is the backbone of consistent frames. Set your camera to manual exposure and manual focus so lighting changes won't shift your images, and pick RAW or high-quality JPEG for editing headroom. Decide frame rate now, 12 for choppy charm, 24 for smooth motion, and calculate total frames needed. Once done, compose your first frame. Lock composition, and prepare your lighting to remain constant during the shoot. Now you capture frames with precision. Use a remote shutter or intervalometer so you never touch the camera and introduce micro-movement. Move your subjects in consistent, repeatable increments, measure with a ruler or grid overlay and mark positions. This uniformity creates smooth motion. Control lighting with LED panels and diffusion to eliminate flicker. If possible, power lights from the same source and disable auto features on all gear. Make sure to review playback periodically to confirm pacing and alignment. To finish, back up your images instantly to 2 locations and label sequences by shot and take to avoid confusion later. Import files into your stop-motion software, enable onion skinning and check alignment frame to frame, adjusting spacing if movement looks uneven. Render a short test clip to confirm timing, then export final sequence. If you encounter flicker, address it by applying exposure smoothing, consistent manual curves, or using a deflicker plugin. If frames shift, reassess tripod locks and re-anchor reference marks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.